hitting new all-time highs. To discuss that, let's get in Sachin Jain, the regional CEO India of World Gold Council. So, sir, firstly, to start off with gold prices, I have hit a record high of $2,570 per ounce. Do you expect this upward trend in gold prices to continue? What is your internal estimate? Where do you see the prices to be going forward? Because foreign brokerages are expecting gold prices to touch around $2,700 levels.
So I will not be able to comment on the recommendations or the target given by Goldman Sachs or any other company. But what I can say is that from gold point of view, you have to look at the fundamentals of where gold is headed and what are the reasons of those fundamentals, the way they are planning out. First of them is the central bank's buying. That is an important consideration. Second is the consumption demand in jewelry. The third is how the financial markets are normally react. And the fourth is normally the new age requirements of gold, which are mostly around to do with new age technology and so on and so forth.
Also, I wanted to understand how China is playing a role in the global gold market. Is continuing slowdown in China likely to impact consumers' capacity and willingness to buy gold, especially jewelry, going forward?
So there are two or three parts of your question. When you look at China, there are three parts. One is the central bank buying, which we saw was a robust buying in the first 6 months, and we are currently witnessing that they've almost stalled their buying post May. So that's one part, and we'll see what happens as they open up or not. The second part is the financial markets and the investment bar in coin, which has seen the highest growth ever that we've witnessed in any market has been in China over the last 3 months or 6 months for investment bar in coin. And jewelry market has been sluggish and has been down. And the revival of that is not necessarily to do with the revival of gold, but also an economy of jewelry and consumption generally in China. So we'll see what pans out as the economic progress happens and it becomes a little better. That's when we'll perhaps see more consumption for jewelry. But I certainly believe that financial investment in asset classes in diversification gold in China will continue to happen.
All right then, Mr. Jain, we leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now to talk about the gold and the prospect that is happening with the gold prices, given the fact that it is at record high. In fact, let's...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.